Okay guys, so welcome back to Joe BRC. So yep, this is the bumblebee. I've given it a little run around. It's looking a bit dusty and a bit crazy at the moment. It has gone into the wall once, so it has split the front just here. Not the greatest design because this is a separate piece, so it does just go shatters it really easily. Luckily it didn't do too much damage and it's a repairable job, so I can get that completely sorted. But yeah, this is it. It's based on a well-known Horizon company's model. It's kind of like a drift car, but it's just real quick and real agile. And I've undone the case, so in that quick gander at the inside, chuck that down there. Yep, definitely dusty. So you got nice pocket there for a battery and all the radio gear. I've had to put an adapter on here just because it runs the blue piece on there and I run the standard fitting, so I've had to adapt that. But yeah, it's a real nice standard road style stuff. This model of it is a Ventura, I think it is. You might know it. I've not really heard much of them, but that's the model of it, and it's a real good capable machine. It's got a drive shaft through the middle, so it's a full drive system. Fairly light. Got a lot of power in there. I'm not sure what the motor is. It does hang on. It just does say here somewhere. That's a 15-turn motor, so pretty quick. Does the job. And gives you the controller with it. Is a standard STX2 controller. The Horizon give you. Pretty ugly. Not a fan of it. Has quite a few options on there, so it reduces the throttle for you, so you can go 50, 75, 100%. It gives you a good adjustment when you're first using it, so that you don't go crazy with it, and then you can slowly ramp it up to what you want. I've put in one of those. You may have heard of it, may not have, but good size, good price, and it works for that. Makes it run well. Next thing is to go and have a play with it and show you how it does. So let's take it somewhere and have a look. Okay guys, it's bumblebee time. Now this car is pretty quick, and he's pretty rapid. Except that one isn't so fast. That one's the Porsche that I converted. Now Logan's toy of choice. Good starter for him, I think. Get him really into it. Just seems to be hitting the curb quite a bit now with him. But yeah, anyway, back to Bumblebee. This thing is, as you can see, pretty rapid. So yeah, he's pretty quick. It's fairly difficult to control. You can get it to do quite a few sort of nice steady slides, but as you can see, it just wants to go crazy. That's not the first time I've clattered the wall the side, but I'll do a few speed runs for you and just let you see capabilities of it. Yeah, he's pretty quick. He just shoots out of camera range pretty fast. But I'll put down some speed runs and you can see how it goes. But as is, that's a Bumblebee, so it does exactly what it says on tin, really. So yeah, he's pretty quick. This is meant to be like a drift car, I think. That's why it's so rapid. But yeah, that's Bumblebee anyway. Attempt a bit of a speed run here. Once the Porsche's out of the way. Right. No, it's gonna glitch. Hang on, start again. And that's one way. See if I can get it at an angle. See if it gets just black past the camera. There we go, nice slow. But let's see if I can get it to go straight. There you go, speed run with a pretty low battery, so it's not great. But that's about it, yeah. So yeah, he's looking pretty good. Get a battery running, maybe we'll have another go at that speed run and even have a speedo on it, see if we can get a reading out of him. We'll see this one again, I expect. He's definitely picked up a few war wounds from this one, because it's really hard to keep him off the side. But yeah, we'll get Optimus and him together, do something together, I don't know what yet, but it'd be quite cool to see them both together. But yeah, join us next time. Yeah, see, subscribe, like if you want, all the above. So yeah, see you next time. Bye bye for now.